The muscles of the chest include the pectoralis major, the pectoralis minor, and the serratus ventralis. On the arm, we have the biceps brachii, the triceps brachii, and the brachialis. In humans, the pectoralis major is the large chest muscle. It is anterior to the pectoralis minor, which is much smaller, and deep to the pectoralis major. In humans, the serratus anterior is the muscle that's attached to the ribs. In cats, this is called the serratus ventralis. In the cat, the pectoralis major is the smaller muscle. It's still the more superficial muscle, but it is smaller. The pectoralis minor is a much larger muscle, but it comes out from under the pectoralis major. Be careful to not confuse these muscles with the pectoantebrachialis. This is a muscle humans do not have. The pectoralis major has the action of flexing the upper arm and then adducting the upper arm when it is in the flexed position. So this would allow you to flex your arm and then pull it across your body anteriorly. The pectoralis minor has two actions. If the ribs are fixed, it will draw the scapula forward and down. If the scapula is fixed, it will draw the rib cage superiorly. The pectoralis minor and the pectoralis major are shown here. And here you see the serratus ventralis. In humans, this is known as the serratus anterior. These muscles with the little serrated edge because they're attached to the ribs. The action of this muscle is to protract the scapula, that is to pull the scapula forward. On the arm, the biceps brachii is the large muscle anteriorly on the arm, and the triceps brachii is the large muscle on the posterior aspect of the arm. The brachialis is seen best on the human on the anterior side, just under the biceps brachii. On the cat, there are two muscles that humans do not have, the pectoantebrachialis and the epitrochlearus. If we reflect back the pectoantebrachialis, we can see the biceps brachii. The triceps brachii can be seen anteriorly if we remove the epitrochlearus muscle. The biceps brachii has two heads. It originates on the scapula and the coracoid process of the clavicle. Its insertion is on the radial tuberosity. This muscle crosses the elbow, so this muscle will flex the forearm when it's in the supinated position. When you're standing in anatomical position, your palms are facing forward. That's the supinated position. So this is the muscle used to flex from anatomical position. In the cat, the triceps brachii is best seen from the posterior side. The brachialis is also best seen from the posterior side. The brachialis is very close to the deltoid. These are the three deltoid muscles, and you can see how this center deltoid muscle just comes right out on top of the brachialis muscle. The triceps brachii has three origins. It originates on the acromion process of the scapula, the spine of the scapula, and the humerus. It inserts on the olecranon process, so this muscle crosses the elbow. Its action is to extend the forearm. The brachialis flexes the pronated forearm, so when the forearm has palms down, this is the muscle that will flex at the elbow.